Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make these crispy lace skirt dumplings. Firstly, we'll be making the pork and prawn dumplings and then we'll be dressing them in their cute little lace skirts, giving us a perfect crispy, juicy and plump dumplings. To start, we're going to thinly slice 400 grams of wombok, which we're then going to chuck into a boiling pot of water and cook for roughly 5 to 6 minutes. Or till the wombok starts to look like this, soft and translucent. We're then going to drain the wombok and squeeze out any remaining liquid. This is an important step, or else our filling may not stick together and become too watery. Next, we're going to grab 430 grams of prawns, peel and devein them. Make sure to keep your prawn heads and shells, as you can use this for a prawn stock or something tasty later on. We're then going to grab this prawn meat and roughly chop it up. And now to put everything together, we've got 500 grams of minced pork, our chopped prawns, our cooked wombok, 1.5 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, 1 teaspoon of chicken powder, a pinch of salt, 3 tablespoons of chopped spring onion, and 3 tablespoons of chopped ginger. And now thoroughly combine all the ingredients. To make our dumplings, we're going to grab a dumpling wrapper, grab a teaspoon of the filling and place it in the center of your wrapper. Dip your finger in water and moisten the edges of 1/2 of the dumpling wrapper. Pinch the top of the dumpling wrapper and then seal off the edges like so. This is just one way to wrap dumplings and is my favourite way, as it resembles a red packet and allows for a crispier bottom. But feel free to wrap dumplings however you like, whether that be with pleats, whether that be moon shaped or crescent shaped. So now I'm just going to go ahead and do this for the remaining wrappers. For the filling that we've made today, it will roughly yield 60 dumplings, in which you can either gobble up straight away or freeze them for a later date. To make the crispy lace skirts of our dumplings, we're going to combine 1/2 teaspoon of plain flour with 1 cup of water and combine well. Heat up your pan on medium and add 1 tablespoon of oil. Now carefully add your dumplings and pan fry for roughly 30 seconds or until you achieve a golden, crispy bottom like so. Now grab your slurry and give it another whisk before you add it to the pan. Ensure you add enough slurry to cover halfway up a dumpling and then pop the lid on and steam fry for roughly 6 to 7 minutes. This is what it should look like underneath the hood. Now after 6 to 7 minutes of steam frying, remove the lid and turn up the heat to evaporate any remaining liquid. Cook till the outside of the skirt is lifted and the skirt is nice and golden. To plate up, invert a plate over the pan and carefully flip dumplings onto the plate. Serve with your favourite dipping sauce or chili oil and enjoy! Let's eat! Thanks for watching guys, I hope you've enjoyed this recipe. I'd love to see how your crispy lace skirt dumplings come out. You can find me on Instagram at noodlewithme_. See you in the next one guys.